Hi guys, this is Rajnikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to identify font from image. Okay, for example, I will show you one image. Okay, this is one image. Okay, so the logo of Equator Homes, and you want to find out what kind of font it is used in this image. Okay, so what you do first, go to browser and type like how to identify font type from image. Okay, so you will see a lot of websites here. Find any font, what is the font finder, so many websites. Just open any one website. So I am opening myfonts.com. okay, and you will see type or paste image URL, upload an image. Okay, so I will upload this image. Okay, so I'm uploading. See guys, it is automatically identified. Okay, you see here. Okay, then click on this identify font. Okay, it is identifying. Just wait, it will show the result. See guys, here you see, right, ITC. Okay, so this is the font type for this text. So that's all guys, that's all about this video. Like this, you can identify any font by using this website. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.